Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the nuclear shell model for BSc third year. I am Dr. Manoj Kumar Malpani, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Shankarlal Khandelwal Arts Science and Commerce College, Akola. So in nuclear shell model, it has been found that the nuclei with proton number or neutron number are both equal to certain numbers such as 2, 8, 20, 50, 82 and 126 exhibit a exceptional stability as compared to closed neighbors. Hence, these numbers are known as magic numbers. This is found to be in accordance with the observed nature of elements with filled electronic shells. An atom with closed shell electronic configuration is very stable and exhibits a chemical inertness, that is zero group elements. Now, these are the some postulates of shell model. First one is the each nucleon moves in its own orbit, which is determined by the nuclear potential. Second, nucleons are distributed in a series of discrete energy levels. Third one, as the capacity of each orbit is reached, a closed shell is formed. Fourth one, a proton forms a pair with a proton. Similarly, neutron forms a pair with a neutron, but a proton cannot form a pair with neutron. Fifth one, in case of odd n or odd z or both nuclides, the nuclear properties like spin, parity and magnetic moment are due to the presence of unpaired nucleon. This model is mainly applicable in the ground state of the nucleus. Evidences for the existence of magic numbers. First one is the helium with mass number 4, calcium with mass number 40 and oxygen with mass number 16 are highly stable in comparison to close neighbors. Now there is a group of isotones with nucleon is equal to 82, which are highly stable. Now tin with the atomic number 50 has 10 stable isotopes. Similarly, calcium with atomic number 20 exhibit a 6 stable isotopes. Now isotopes with n is equal to 9, n is equal to 51 and n is equal to 83 spontaneously emit a neutron each to acquire a stability with n is equal to 8, 50 and 82 respectively. It has also been found that if some of the important nuclear properties are plotted against Z or N, the graphs show the distinct peaks or troughs at numbers 2, 8, 20, 50, 82 and 126. In all the natural radioactive decay series, the unlimited ultimate end products are the isotopes of lead having Z is equal to 82, indicating a greater stability associated with 82 protons. Energy required to remove the 126th neutron from lead is 7.36 million electron volt, while for 127th neutron from lead is only 3.87 million electron volt. Heaviest stable nuclide in nature is the bismuth 83209, which shows that 126th neutron form a stable closed shell. Thank you.